Hi friends, in that lecture we are going to discuss the condition for precipitation. Whether the precipitation takes place or not, that can be identified by the comparison of solubility product and ionic. Now, what is solubility product? Solubility product किसको कहा जाता है? Solubility product is the product of the product of concentration of ions in saturated state raised to the appropriate power, which is equals to the coefficient of it in the balanced chemical reaction at given temperature. The product of equilibrium concentration of constituent ion raised to the appropriate power, which is equal to the coefficient of it in balanced chemical reaction at given temperature, is called as solubility product. It is applicable for saturated solutions. Consider the salt of the type BXAY. It undergoes dissociation at equilibrium. It gives XBY positive ion plus YA X negative ion. Suppose. Then for that the solubility product KSP is given by the solubility product is equals to B concentration of By positive ion to the power X into concentration of A X negative ion to the power Y. The condition is that the solubility product is applicable only in saturated state. ये जो solubility product है ये सिर्फ saturated state पे ही आता है, at saturated state. On the contrary, अगर इसी के लिए हम ionic product निकालते हैं तो ionic product का भी formula nearly same ही दिखेगा. That means ionic product is also equal to By positive ion to the power X into A X negative ion to the power Y. But this ionic product is the product of concentration at any concentration, not at saturated state. Now, by comparison of these two, solubility product and ionic product, we can predict whether the precipitation takes place or not. If for the solution, the solubility product KSP is equal to ionic product IP, then such a solution is saturated solution. ऐसा solution होता है saturated solution, and precipitate does not form in saturated solution. बरोबर है? अगर हम solubility product और ionic product को कंपेयर करते हैं, फॉर द सॉल्यूशन दोनों अगर सेम है तो ऐसा सॉल्यूशन सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन होता है और सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन में प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म नहीं. इफ solubility product is more than ionic product, such a solution is called as unsaturated. ऐसा सॉल्यूशन अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन होता है, and even the precipitate does not form in that unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution में भी precipitate form नहीं होता. Whereas if the solubility product for the solution is less than its ionic product, then the solution will become super saturated. फिर वो solution super saturated बनेगा and precipitate is formed in super saturated solution. Precipitate will form. The precipitate will form only in super saturated solution. So this is the condition for precipitation. Now once again, the precipitation takes place or not, that can be determined by comparison in the solubility product and the ionic product. The solubility product is defined as the product of equilibrium concentration of constituent ion raised to the appropriate power at given temperature, where the power is equal to the coefficient of a imbalance chemical reaction. But solubility product is applicable only in saturated state. That means the concentration where the solution becomes saturated. Exactly similar way the ionic product is defined. It is also the product of concentration of ion, but at any concentration, not necessarily at saturated state. So, if we compare them, if the solubility product and ionic product is same, that means at saturated state both are same only, then it is not a condition for precipitate. That means precipitate will not form at that in that solution. Whereas if the solubility product is more than the ionic product, again the solution become unsaturated and there is no precipitation. Whereas if for the solution the ionic product and solubility product is found same, then and then only the precipitate will form. So these are the three conditions. These are the conditions for precipitation. For the precipitation, solubility product must be smaller than ionic product, or ionic product must be greater than solubility product. Thank you.